Would you too like to make easy work of preparing wonderful meals without having to spend hours in the kitchen?
Now presenting the latest kitchen technology for your home, the result of years of intensive research into better and healthier cooking.
Scrupulously tested and presented by kitchen specialist Josef Peppy Rösler and TV veteran Horst Fuchs, Europe's teleshopping dream team #1.
Now discover the perfected synergy of functionality, design, and quality. Experience an energy-saving concept for the kitchen that's ahead of its time, and the sky's the limit.
Cooking, baking, frying,
Grilling, steaming, roasting.
Defrosting, heating to keep things warmed up.
it's all possible.
Stay tuned and experience the amazing power of halogen technology using advanced three-dimensional heat distribution.
See how cooking, roasting, baking, broiling, steaming, and frying are as easy as 1, 2, 3, providing you with perfect results in half the time.
Never anything like it.
Look forward to a revolutionary, new, and better way to cook that's not only exceptionally safe, easy to clean, amazingly simple to operate, but also has the perfect space-saving design.
But find out for yourself.
The 3D Power Wave, and you'll cook like a pro. Hello, and a warm welcome to the Power Wave studio, folks. As always, Pepe Rösler has something sensational to show you.
The 3D Power Wave. It truly is sensational. You've never seen anything quite like it. And you two, ladies and gentlemen, will be amazed.
Great.
You can do everything with it, whether it's boiling, frying, baking, or grilling.
Yes.
You can even do hot air frying. Whatever you've dreamed of cooking, prepare easily with this appliance.
Wow.
Just look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, what you see here is concentrated halogen heat, distributed three-dimensionally over the food, giving you a myriad of cooking possibilities.
That's amazing.
And it's 100% safe thanks to these two cold grips, which means you can even use it for serving if you
that's
want.
perfect.
Here on
Just
top, there's a
great,
safety
folks.
mechanism. If I open it, it stops. That is if I lift the handle and remove the lid. Here I have a timer. When the timer runs out, right, there's an audio signal telling me the food's ready.
Great.
And what you're going to find inside, Horst, is a picture-perfect roast. It works just as well with pork.
Amazing.
It's perfect for beef or roast lamb.
Great.
Let me show you something. Such a crispy crust with a nice juicy inside is usually impossible to get.
Yeah.
12 liters in volume. With an enclosed system, things always cook faster.
Sure.
Now that's a perfect result. Carving is a cinch.
Wonderful.
The knife glides right through. Check out that center, ladies and gentlemen, how juicy it is.
Wow.
The way it should be. If a roast looks this good, then it'll taste great too.
Unbelievable.
You know, there are rules in the kitchen
perfect.
that have to be followed. A good cut of meat and the right set of tools.
Sure.
If both are top, then things will just take care of themselves. It's just logic.
Yeah.
This is the only low-fat grilling system I know of.
Okay.
With every other griller or frying pan, the food sits on the bottom.
Yeah.
So it's swimming in its own fat.
Right.
With this appliance, fat is drained off. It won't make its way to our hips.
Super.
Now we take the expansion ring and
yeah.
place it on top. Finest materials throughout. Stainless steel ring on top, shatterproof, heat-resistant glass. We put the lid on top of the ring, and now, Horst, you can turn it on.
Okay.
We only have two switches here. Anyone can do it. One for temperature and one for time. Set it to 180 degrees.
180.
Yes. Do you know why 180?
No.
Because 170 is too low and 190 is too high. Now set it for 45 minutes. Take a look what's happening. A powerful motor covers everything with concentrated halogen heat, but still only uses 1400 watts. And then you always get fantastic results. And now it's starting to work. No need to wait
Amazing.
around for half an hour. Look inside whenever you want. With ovens, want to see if you're done? You have to open the door, and there goes all the heat.
Right.
Horst, just look at that. These here are perfect vegetables. Au gratin.
Super.
These handy tongs are included too. Now take a look underneath here.
Yeah?
This aluminum tray.
holes.
It's perforated, so the heat enters from the bottom as well. Now it cooks from below and broils from above.
Oh,
At the
look at
same
that.
time, this was impossible in one go before.
Not possible,
Look at the
that's true.
results. The topping looks delicious. This is one fantastic appliance.
Great.
Horst,
Yeah.
now on to baking.
Yeah.
Whether it's a large cake or a bundt, or you just want to warm things up or make 2-3 croissants,
Yeah.
then this is just the thing for
Now
you.
this I gotta see.
Set the temperature, set the timer for about 15 minutes, let it run, and that's it. Even for you,
Even I
Horst.
could do that.
Anybody can do it. Hey, I would like to meet the housewife who takes 2 rolls on Sunday,
Right.
heats a huge oven for quarter of an hour, and is pleased because the rolls are warm.
Exactly.
Look at this, Horst. Take the
These
cake out.
tongs are really practical. See,
You
you
said
put them
it.
in, clip them on, and take them out again.
Great. Now take a look at the browning on the cake. It's really perfect. Because of the 1400 watt halogen heating combined with the three-dimensional system and the reliable motor, we always get optimal results.
Right.
That is the perfect solution.
In our branch, it's efficiency, reliability, and perfection that are an absolute must. That's why we use only halogen ovens. And the 3D PowerWave is a professional, valuable, quality product for your home.
And now for the absolute world sensation. Something
What?
you can't do with any other appliance. That's hot air frying. And when I said hot air frying, you heard right.
Okay.
We don't use hot oil by the liter like in the deep fryer. But if we do need oil, then it's just a spoonful. Pour it over your freshly cut French fries, or if you want to,
Freshly cut?
frozen fries. No need to defrost them.
Look at that.
Pop it in the bowl and simply turn it on, ladies and gentlemen. Now you can see for the first time ever a fully functional hot air fryer. Set it at 200 degrees for 12 minutes, and then all you do is just sit back and
Amazing.
watch how your fries get crispy.
It's just got to be convincing, folks. It bakes cakes, it fries French fries, it can make a rack of lamb, a wonderful grilled fish, and here baked zucchini and the tomatoes. Grilling a chicken, and here's the tasty pork roast. And now look at these croissants. After 3 minutes, just sensational. This is simply unbelievable. So pick up your phone, call right now, and order your PowerWave 3D, a must-have for your home. So call and order now.
Never anything like it.
Presenting the revolutionary kitchen technology for your home, the 3D PowerWave.
Complete with energy-saving halogen system with three-dimensional heat distribution.
12-liter thermal glass bowl and non-slip frame with heat-resistant grips.
Infinitely variable heat regulator. Easy-to-use timer and safety handle with automatic shutoff.
Also included, 2 grill inserts for low-fat cooking.
Included free, this easy-to-use instruction manual with loads of great recipe ideas to make yourself.
Call now, and this sensational cooking system will be yours. And for the first 500 callers, you'll receive these practical cooking tongs absolutely free.
So don't wait any longer. Call and order now.
Take a look at that bird. It's only been in there for 20
great.
minutes, not basted, brushed, or anything else even once, and now it's roasted to a turn. Goes without saying, a reliable motor whirling halogen heat three-dimensionally will always give you a perfect result.
Wow.
But when you see the lights gone out, ladies and gentlemen, it just means that no heat is needed. As the temperature changes, it turns off and on, and it will keep doing so until you have the perfect result. As the audio signal just told us, that chicken's ready. It'll melt in your mouth. You have to try it.
Great.
That's exquisite. Outside, the skin's crisp, but Horst, usually the breast dries out. See that?
amazing.
That's how a chicken breast should look. The skin is brown and crisp, but inside the meat is nice and juicy.
Wow. How about it? That's wonderful. It melts in your mouth. Simply amazing.
When I say universal device, I turn a professional chicken roaster into a pizza oven.
Wow.
I just place the frozen pizza in here on the higher grill insert,
Right.
put the lid on top. Now we don't need more than 200 degrees. Set the time for about 10 minutes and bake the pizza till it's done.
Okay.
But if we interrupt the program, the oven remembers. Let's put some cheese on top, and when I turn it back on,
Okay.
it picks up right where it left off, and that's just sensational, Horst. That is
sure
why
is,
a load
Pepe.
of croissants turn out like ones from the bakery, without preheating. Optimum results in no time. Now use those handy tongs.
Reach in, pick them up, and enjoy.
Now using this 12-liter oven, I'll show you how to make 2.5 meters of
come on.
spare ribs. 1
They'll
meter,
never fit in
2
there.
meters. They'll fit, yeah.
No, of course
2.5
not. No
meters
way.
from here to here. It'll be spare ribs. That is just the thing you need. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 compartments. Fill it up all the way and look closely. Now with one easy movement,
Wow.
I put 2.5 meters of meat right in
That's
here.
a lot.
Put the lid on and set it to 250 degrees. Set the timer, and when it's done, it switches off automatically.
Yes.
And that takes us to frying. With 1 spoonful of oil, with a fresher frozen fries, they'll always taste as
That's
good. And they're not
just
greasy at
amazing.
all. The halogen heat source combined with the convection of the hot air will give you crispy fries that are absolutely perfect.
Never anything like it.
Presenting the revolutionary kitchen technology for your home, the 3D Power Wave.
Complete with energy-saving halogen system with three-dimensional heat distribution.
Call now, and this sensational cooking system will be yours. Call now and order right away.
What you'll see now is really an absolute sensation. It's completely self-cleaning. That means all we have to do is simply place everything we've used in here. The grills, the skewers, yeah, just like that. Add water and dish detergent, put on the lid, set the timer for 10 minutes, and the water starts whirling. Loosens everything that's baked on the glass, so we wind up with a machine that's clean and hygienic once again.
Great.
Now let me ask you a favor, Horst. I'd like you to show everyone where you can store all this.
Okay, Peppy has already explained it to me. Since you won't need your oven for cooking anymore, you can use it to store the appliance with all the attachments inside. You open the door, simply take the appliance, put it in, and close the door again. And now you have space in your kitchen. Hey, Peppy, tell me now, what have you been doing? That looks
Horst,
great.
with the 3D Power Wave, it works on its own. Anything's possible with it, ladies and gentlemen, and you won't just be satisfied, you'll be thrilled. Pizza, for example, better than in a pizzeria.
Great.
The cheese on top is runny. The dough is crisp, the way it should be.
Yes.
Here's a real sensation.
look, folks,
this
now
is the
that's
expansion
incredible.
ring. It turns a 12-liter oven into an 18-liter oven. Take a look
roasts.
at that.
They're awesome and so crisp.
Baked chicken, roast chicken, everything is possible, Horst.
Wow.
From French fries to spare ribs. Hey, Horst,
that's
the
great.
spare ribs, that's a world record. 2.5 meters of spare ribs in a single step.
Yes.
And any excess fat will drain through the grill so that the meat won't swim in its own juices. This is the first and only truly low-fat system which works 100%. You can do even more
Look at
on
that.
2 levels in a single step. On
Great.
top, it's grilling, and below, it's cooking. No fishy taste gets transferred to the vegetables because of the 3D whirl. The pores close, and the juices remain inside the fish.
Yeah.
And to top it all off,
Wow.
baking at its best. The cake
Unbelievable.
is just fantastic, nice and big and fluffy thanks to the 3D system.
Great.
So everything you've seen here,
Amazing.
cooking, roasting, baking, broiling, hot air frying is done perfectly with one appliance. And it even turns itself off automatically when it's done.
Well, folks, if you've seen what I've just witnessed with my own eyes, then you simply have to pick up your telephone and call and order now, because you really can't do without it. 3D Power Wave is the kitchen appliance you need. So pick up the telephone and call and order now.
And have fun with it.
Presenting the revolutionary kitchen technology for your home, the 3D Power Wave.
Complete with energy-saving halogen system with three-dimensional heat distribution.
12-liter thermal glass bowl and non-slip frame with heat-resistant grips.
Infinitely variable heat regulator. Easy-to-use timer. And safety handle with automatic shutoff.
Also included, 2 grill inserts for low-fat cooking.
Included free, this easy-to-use instruction manual with loads of great recipe ideas to make yourself.
Call now, and this sensational 3D Power Wave cooking system will be yours. And for the first 500 callers, you'll receive these practical cooking tongs absolutely free.
Also ask your telephone operator about the indispensable Power Wave expansion set with high-quality stainless steel ring and special poultry rack to turn your Power Wave into a high-performance large-scale oven.
Plus, this practical grilling and roasting insert for low-fat cooking, browning, and frying.
Also included, this steaming insert for au gratin and fine vegetable dishes.
There's more. This versatile upright grill for tender spare ribs and quick toasting.
And even more, 4 handy skewers for great combinations.
But wait! If you order your 3D Power Wave and the expansion set at the same time, we will send you this practical security stand for the Power Wave lid as a thank you gift, absolutely free.
Never anything like it.
Call us now. The amazing 3D Power Wave cooking system is the guarantee for better and healthier cooking.
Superbly simple, completely safe, easy to clean, and space-saving besides.
You simply can't pass up this sensational offer, so don't wait any longer. Call now and order right away.